Wow. That is amazing.
Normally a little screen.
Yeah. That's amazing.
Andy used to live there. It was never this bad. Oh my God!
That's incredible.
Oh my God!
Who lives over there?
Ballardini.
Yeah, it's a relatively
With
new
all his
house.
horses.
Yeah, they got the horses out.
Did they?
Yeah, they got them up to higher ground.
Son of a
last
bitch.
night.
They lost a couple trailers up there.
Yeah.
Whoop,
they
careful.
lost-
Whoop.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Yeah, they lost a couple trailers up there.
Up at Wacona Falls?
Oh yeah, they're gone.
Really?
People got out, but
Wow.
son of a gun. They said this happened in 20 minutes.
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Less than 20 minutes this happened.
Wonder if the dam broke up there.
Beckett. A
Oh,
dam
Beckett?
broke in Beckett.
Really?
If that makes sense to you.
Wow.
This poor woman over here.
No, go ahead.
Sorry.
You're good. That's all right. Just trying to see what's all the way down there. It's bad. That is really high. Getting a little wet here.